If you have a Facebook page for your business or even for yourself, it's one of those things that you get that little default kind of image that comes with your Facebook and it's pretty blah, right? It's like gray and black or blue or whatever. And it doesn't tell a story. It doesn't tell people who you are and what you're about. But especially if you're a business, right? If you're a business and you have a business page on Facebook, I want to highly suggest that you don't leave it as default, but I want you to also take it to the next level. And so I really want you to optimize your images. And so in this video, I'm going to share with you how to make an amazing graphic and a nice banner header image for your business Facebook page. You can do this for free. You can do it very inexpensive if you decide to, even if you have zero graphic knowledge, right? If you have no idea about Photoshop, you have no idea about graphics, you really are not even maybe a tech savvy person, but you're using Facebook so you can connect with people. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make a Facebook header image that's going to look amazing and represent your business well. And also, I'm going to take a gamble and say you're going to get more leads because you have a better Facebook page. Stay tuned.
Digital marketing for DIYers.
Hi friends, I'm Heidlebaugh and I teach digital marketing to DIYers, meaning I help motivated individuals like yourself take control of your online success. So if this is your first time here on my channel, I talk about everything from web design and SEO to social media and branding. So would you do me a favor? If I provide you value in this video, would you please consider subscribing? All you have to do is hit the little subscribe button underneath this video. And if you hit the bell notification, you'll always be notified when I put out a new video. And thank you so very much for your consideration. So Facebook is a great tool. It's also bad, right? I mean, I talk to a lot of business owners. They're like, Chris, I am not on Facebook. I don't want to see what somebody had for breakfast. I'm tired of kitten videos. I love kittens, but it's one of those things that, people are tired of just animals and just, they want to use it for business, right? They're not on Facebook to communicate and, sparkle high school romances. They're for business only. So they've gotten a page. You might be in the same position. You've got a page. It's just for your business, just so you can showcase your products and services to people who are on Facebook, because I truly believe myself, the same people that might be looking for you on Facebook may not be the people looking on Google, right? Just like Instagram or videos or things like that, okay? So Facebook is a great tool. Plus, you can post ads, and it's a great lead generating tool for your business. So, but again, you're not on Facebook to make friends. You're on there to make money, right? And so with your Facebook page, when you've established it, you got this default blue blah of a default image, right? And maybe you just slapped up any image you could find. It's a sunset out in Texas, or, you're on the beach in Florida, or, the sunny day in California, wherever you are, right? It doesn't say what your business is though. And so I want to help you create a nice image that tells people what your business is about, because that's extremely important. Okay. So we're going to need a few things first. Okay. Obviously need a Facebook page. Okay. No problem at all. And then second thing though, is we need Canva. Now, Canva is a free and a paid solution. Okay. So let me show you what that looks like. You're going to go over to canva.com. Okay. And this is what the page is going to look like. If you do go through my website, I do have an affiliate link. So if you do sign up, if you go to chrisheidlebaugh.com, go to resources, tools I use. And then if you go down, you can see everything from web hosting and domain names, SEO tools, the best WordPress themes, the fastest WordPress themes, phone systems. I mean, I have so many products I love. So these are where it comes down. Okay. So we have Canva. This is easy, beginner, basic, anybody can use. And then you have Photoshop and the expert tools. So if you're just starting out, I highly recommend just using Canva. There's no problem at all. This is my affiliate links. Either way, I'm here to help you succeed. So you're going to go to the page. It's going to look like this. You're going to sign up. No problem at all. It's easy peasy. And this is free. Okay. And then the pro version, you can see here, you can see other things you do. If you're going to do a lot of branding, you can put up your own colors. Major labels use this. I mean, this is not a, a basic thing. And then you could do a lot more things that you may not be able to do with the free version, but we're going to start out, no problem at all. And it's only $9.95 a month, especially if you do it yearly. So again, it's the best $10 a month that you're going to spend in your entire life. I promise you, this is so good, especially if you're trying to do your own marketing for your business. Okay. So once you sign up, you're going to be able to have a page that's going to look something like mine here. Okay. Now I already have images that I've worked on and things like this. And again, even though I have Photoshop and I have Premiere Pro and all the Adobe Suite stuff, I I enjoy using this because it's so much easier. I actually make some of my thumbnails with this, just testing it out, seeing how it works. But what we're going to do here is you can create a design, right? So we're going to go in and you can see all the different designs, but let's go ahead and I want to show you what some of these look like. Okay. So I clicked on that and then we can see social media. You know, we have all these different social media things, documents. Okay. You can do letterheads, resumes, you know, invoices, daily reports, everything, personal stuff. You can create your own greeting cards, your own business cards, your own calendars, education. So if you're a teacher, you can use so many different things. Okay. Marketing. Okay. You can create logos, posters, flyers, infographics, brochures. If you're having events, weddings, birthdays, anything, great, you know, ads. So if you're working with people, you can create your own ads on your website. Okay. So, again, this is such a powerful tool and so easy to use. Okay. So what we're going to look for, we're going to look for Facebook cover and we hover over it. We can see the dimensions. So 820 by 312. And I've heard it kind of fluctuate between 851 to 312, but I think we'll be good here. Okay. So when it pops up here, we have all these different options already that we can just make something work. Okay. So you can always upload your own things. Okay. But let's just try to find something that's extremely nice. Okay. We'll go through, let's go through some of these things here. We'll see if we can find one that really kind of stands out. Okay. That kind of looks almost like trees. Okay. So that almost looks like maybe a bush or vegetables or something, but let's just say this was a landscaping company. Okay. Let's say this is our landscaping company. Okay. It's very simple. Click on the words and then change it. Okay. #1 Texas Landscaping Co. Okay. Now you say, well, Chris, now you're on 2 lines. No problem at all. I mean, you just click on the information, go up here and then change the size. Okay. #1 Texas Landscaping Co. Great. You know, we got mowing, landscaping, or let's do mowing, mulch, flowers. I mean, you can, you know, put whatever you want, you know, sod. I mean, you know, you can play around with whatever you want here. Okay. You can move this around, move it up, down, whatever. Okay. You can change the colors if you don't, you know, if you want to have, you know, let's make Texas orange. Great. Can't really see it, but you know what I mean? So again, this is just, it's so simple to use. Okay. Okay. And then we want to add text. Okay. Now it's going to be a little bit of learning curve because there's like different things here. So we have templates. These are all just our templates that we're using that they give you to use, but there's photos. You can upload your own, there's elements and all kinds of different things. So let's click on text. Okay. And we're going to bring in a text here. And then we're going to put our phone number. We're just going to put 000.000.000000. Great. And just for fun, let's go to elements. And there's, I mean, so many different things. There's featured images, grids. So if you can snap your own pictures in there. We got frames. We're going to go to shapes and let's just take a rectangle. Okay. Let's take this, let's squeeze this down, slide it over. Okay. And then we're just going to go position. We're going to go, well, let's go ahead and let's make it darker. I just want to do like a little bit of a gradient. Okay. So now we're black. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to just go up here to the transparency, bring it down some. Great. Now we're going to, I mean, everything you can see every time I hover over, like there's a box that hovers over with it. So I'm just going to make sure I have my box checked. I'm going to put position. I'm going to put it behind it. Okay. So now we got my numbers up here. Okay. And I'm going to select this and let's do a different color. Great. So for example, #1 Texas Landscaping Company, you know, mowing, mulch, flower, sod. It could be residential. Could, you know, let's do that. Let's do residential and commercial services. Great. Okay. So once you have it, you just name it and then you just download it. Okay. It gives you different options. Download it. And then we're going to play with my page here. Okay. And so up here, just like yours, no matter what it'll be, it'll say change cover. Okay, so we're going to change cover. You can do videos, you can do like a slideshow, you can do whatever. But again, if we remove this, we just have this basic, nothing is here, right? This basic, like nothing exists, is blah. So let's add cover. Okay. I don't think I can drag this. Can I drag it? No. Okay. So we're going to upload a picture. Okay. We're going to click on this. And then it brings it in. Okay. And you can, if it's bigger, you can reposition it, save it. And now you have a page here. Okay. So again, if this is your landscaping company, if this was your landscaping company, you just went from 0 to 500, okay? Because now when people land on your page, they're not seeing just a bunch of flowers or mowing or something like that. They're actually seeing the name of your company, maybe a logo, and a way to get a hold of you. So instead of going through all of your posts, trying to hunt for your phone number, trying to hunt for anything, I can just call you. And granted, it's not clickable. I still have to pick up the phone and call you. But you know what I mean? It's so beneficial, okay? So it doesn't matter if you're a realtor, if you're own a restaurant, a bar, if you're a babysitter, I don't care what you do. If you make your header image better, you will get more leads because people aren't trying to have to hunt how to get a hold of you, okay? So let's check this out again, okay? So we're going to go back and let's go back to home and we're going to start from scratch, okay? So again, we can create a design and we can go to social media. We'll look for Facebook cover. And then again, we can look through these. You can type in here maybe what you are, what you do. Let's try, anything like this. You could be a photographer, right? And you could put, Tom's photography, right? Put your phone number underneath it, and so again, we would go to text, drag in your phone number underneath it. Change the color up. Okay. And again, even something as simple as that will look better than the blah image and just showing just a picture, right? I don't care if it's the best wedding picture you've ever taken in your life if you're a photographer, okay? If you put on there something about how to get a hold of you or something, people won't have to hunt through all of your stuff. It's just like you're giving people a call to action, and that's so beneficial, okay? So again, if we're starting from scratch, okay, we got nothing here. Okay, completely empty. You can go to backgrounds, okay? Say you just want to play around with this. So here's a wood background. Get rid of this stuff from this other image. Okay, wood background. You can add text. Let's see, text. Yep. So you can, maybe you're a steakhouse and you're having a steak night or something. You want to make it look rustic. Great, right? Again, you can do whatever you want with this stuff, okay? Let's try something different, okay? Maybe you're going to upload an image, okay? So for me, I'm going to upload something that I would use. Okay, so this is, this could be me, right? And I can go to text. I can scale this down a little bit. Website services, okay? And then again, you just play around with this stuff, kind of, obviously my font's too big, so we'll bring it down, okay? Delete some of the stuff you don't need on there, okay? Take your text here, make it a different color. Great. Again, once you're done and you're happy with whatever you're doing, just click download. Download, and it'll give you different options. You can do PNG. Let's go back to, let me show that real quick. So download, okay? So you have options between PNG, JPEG, different items like that. If it's for your website, I would definitely do JPEG or JPG. But for you know, Facebook, I mean, it doesn't make a difference for me. So you know, here's a big SEO tip for you too. If you're doing this for your website, if you're doing for anything, always try to name the photo as a keyword or something. So if I was to name this, I would put like 𝗦𝗽 Facebook. That way, if somebody's looking for me, that kind of gives the search engine a little idea of where it is. Okay, so let's go back to Facebook page here. Okay, change cover. We're going to upload a new one. Okay, we're going to click on this. Ta-da! Website services. Okay. And again, it's just very basic, and I'll probably rebrand some of my stuff anyways with time, but this again just shows you how you can bring some personality and some life to your page. And so instead of it just looking like this blah, nothing is there kind of page where it's just blue, now we're actually giving the audience something. And so this will definitely help you improve, I think, your lead generation through Facebook. So again, you go to Canva, or you can go to 𝗦𝗽𝗂𝗏.com. And this is my affiliate link. And so they don't raise the prices for you or anything, but just it supports my channel because I get a small commission on it. And, you know, you can, you know, download, you can sign up for Canva here. You can do Photoshop here. I mean, and if you need anything else, you know, for like email marketing, or if you need web hosting or domain names, I have it all here for you. Okay. But again, when you go there, you're going to sign up, and it's going to look something like this. Okay. Where the page, you'll be able to sign up for free if you want. You can get the pro if you want. Again, $10 a month. They're like, you can't, that's a couple cups of coffee a month, and you can do all the branding, and, you know, you can put watermarks on your images so people don't steal your stuff. You can do so many different things. It's such a benefit. Okay. But if you sign up, it's great. And then, you know, you have access to everything that you would need. Okay. You can do, again, everything from animated social media, your Instagram posts, you know, menus, letters, everything. It's such an amazing tool, and I would never steer you wrong. So if you're a beginner and you've never done this before, Canva is the way to go. Again, you can use this for your Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook, you know, all these social media profiles. You can create your own post, and you can do so many different things. So thank you again so much for watching this video. I do hope this helps. Leave a link to your Facebook page in the comments below after you make a header image here. I would love to see what you have going on and see how you used it in your creativity. So thank you so much. Make sure you hit my head here to subscribe to the channel. It means so much to me. And you can watch my other videos here on how to, you know, build websites and how to truly just take control of your online success. So thank you so much. I do hope that you succeed online, offline, and in your life. God bless.